Hey guys, I'm literally filming more than 4 videos with the same clothes. I hate doing that, but I have to do it. I have to. All right, so this is the Walmart beauty box, and I just got it in, so I'm going to unbox it for you guys. This box is $5. Doesn't get any better than that. I don't remember if Walmart is monthly, quarterly, seasonally. I think it used to be seasonally. But I'm not exactly sure what it is anymore, if it's seasonally or monthly. So let's just jump right in. From the get-go, I see there is a lot of either like samples or masks, only one product, and something new that they've never put in this box. So let's just start. First thing is this. What is this? Oh, I guess just like a propaganda. What do you call that in English? This is a sample of the Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer Day and Night Mask made with rose water. This is a sample of that. Next thing we have is a sample of the Garnier Fructis Damage Repairing Treatment, the 1-minute hair mask in papaya extract. Next thing we have in here is the Neutrogena Collagen Kiss Collagen Infused Lip Mask. Those are the lip masks that like you put on your lips, like the really... This one's is this? Why doesn't this feel like the other ones? This is weird. It's infused with vitamin C and vitamin E, and it's designed to leave lips feeling smooth and supple. Next thing in here is a sample of Olay Daily Facials Daily Hydrating Clean Grapeseed Extract, and this is a 5-in-1 cleansing power of a makeup remover, scrub, toner, mask, and cleanser. The next thing we have in here is a black charcoal bubble sheet mask, and this is a Detoxify Oxygenate Radiance mask. That's what that looks like. I think we've gotten these in like BoxyCharm or something before. And then the last actual like product in here is from Curel, and this is Hydrotherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer, and this is apply daily and experience soft healthy skin you can only imagine. So this is a moisturizer that I would probably apply this in the shower, like the shower moisturizer thingies. And then this they have never put in their boxes, and this is like a little makeup bag with the Walmart logo here, and the thing in the front is like little lilac colored raindrops. All right guys, tell me how you feel about this one. I'm not exactly sure how I feel about this yet. You know, like for $5 you can't really complain. Like you're getting a little makeup bag, you're getting masks and stuff like that, and like a wet skin moisturizer. But they've had other boxes that have been a little bit better for the same price, so I'm not really sure if they were trying to justify something by putting in this makeup bag in here. But for $5 you can't really complain. But this, I know they've had better ones. So let me know what you guys think down below. This is like a pretty short video. I mean, what else can you say about that? If you guys are interested, I'll have the link down below as well if you guys want to subscribe to them. It's definitely worth it. It's only $5, and you always definitely get to try different things. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notifications bell. And I will see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye, my loves.